But still in the trunk of the car, jam off the field. Come on, puppy, man, they ain't that far down the block, man. Come on, be like the old days, puppy, be fun, be fun. Here comes the pain!
Break out the band and the Glock and get really hot, hot, get hot. Break band and the Glock and get really hot, get hot. Body break out the band and the Glock really hot, get hot. Break out the band and the Glock and get really hot, get hot. Body hanging out the window, holding tight to my murder weapon. Hit the creep up slow. Bullet licking to your ass slipping. Glock popping, busters dropping, niggas ducking from this shit. Mask on my face, no description of who make this shit. Glock popping, busters dropping, niggas ducking from this shit. Mask on my face, no description of who make this shit. Glock popping, busters dropping, niggas ducking from this shit. Mask on my face, no description of who make this shit. Bitches, who was it? Bitch, it was 666. Devil thoughts, evil thoughts, cheesy bitches. I just cleanse video, no suspects. Only laying dead. Shells in their bodies is the fucking bullet. Niggas in the morgue, and I could give a fuck less. Keep my business quiet as kept. Mother black dress, headed back to my fucking hood. Project Bowen, Bridge Crew, hustle raise, extra raise, spinning Davy, go not sorry, you're the one. Got me reaching for my hip. No friends in the game, in the spot, victim on my clip. Fuck, buster, step, and you're gonna die. Coming at your ass, victim of a fucking drive-by. Break out the band and the Glock, really hot, get hot. Break out the band and the Glock, really hot, get hot. Body break out the band and the Glock, really hot, get hot. Break out the band and the Glock, really hot, get hot. Body straight from the north, bitch. Rich growth is my stomping ground. You niggas don't make a move. You bitches don't make a sound. Sound I'm gangsta, the Glock. Back in for the 9-4, telling all you this man. Bring that shit to the door. I'm able to fade a boat. No nigga can fuck with it. Talk out, let bullshit to your mouth goes my fucking fist. I'm jacking 5,000, bitch. So go home and get your gat. You better take up a hoe, cause this shit is on like that. Squeezing my fucking trigger, blasting to take your life. Yo niggas done got on down, so you have to pray. Jumped in the fucking ride, loaded up mic from head to toe. I put out a sack of ink, rolled up as we start to blow. My gat is tight in my hand, it's too late to break it wrong. My bullets ejected